gonna be like, ugh. Now we've got a mask on with these under eye, what do you call these things? Lift pads?
I don't know, it's from Japan. It's
we don't know
Japanese.
what they are.
The writing is in Japanese, so I don't know.
We assume they're for under your eye. I think it's a boob lift. I don't know. She says, well, we're going to put them on our face
I don't know
first.
whose boob you're lifting, but this sucker ain't even going to go my nipple. What are you talking about?
You're going to need bigger. You ordered small, then you could. Mine is Amazonian clay, and it's cracking right now. It's a little.
It looks like it needs to fill in. Do you want to put some more on?
Look, that packet said it was enough for 4 to 6 applications. I used 1 packet.
They don't have divots. Does anybody else out there put masks on once a week or twice a week? What do y'all do? Type, go. What? Go.
What?
Hers is called Sweet Tea and Lemon.
Yeah,
and mine, you guys are crazy, she said. We are crazy. For real. Mm-hmm. Oh, she good people now.
Cheers! It's gonna be like, ugh. But anyway, he's no longer with Caldwell. He works for Landmark.
Cafe
How long are we
latte
supposed
tea.
to...
No, we haven't even had these on 10 minutes. Look, she ready. Look at me, I'm still wet.
She got these condoms under her eyes and she's still
You
wet.
see, everybody? They're like...
Anyway.
Look, mine is chocolate and it feels... Oh, okay, thanks, Kay. Thanks. She's telling us we can see each other's coming. My bad. I didn't know if we had to tell each other all of it or what. Stop looking at dumbass. You can see up your nose.
I'm seeing if I got a booger.
What? The whole Facebook don't need to see you're nasty.
I may have a booger.
Oh,
Give me a Q-tip.
my... What do you need a Q-tip for?
I was going to clean my nose out.
Oh, my God. You do not seriously stick a Q-tip up in your nose. Use a blow dryer.
For my nose? A booger, Kathy? Jesus Christ, you're killing me!
Is it hot?
The booger is fried. No, it's crunchy. I could flick it right out now.
That is so sick.
I gotta pull my eyelashes off. Or no, my...
Missy's pores look huge.
It's hot! God bless America. Can you not got a cool setting on that?
Oh, still.
It's hot! I can't breathe!
What is that song? Colors of the wind. Careful.
Chuck!
Oh, no, for drying the masks. My bad.
I think these are blowing off.
No, don't peel them off. It ain't gonna work if you peel them.
Well, they're blowing off. You got the daggum window lids on. I think you put too much chocolate on.
We're trying to get it to dry a lot quicker.
I think let's try.
I'm trying to dry this shit. It's been on there for 20 minutes. Hold still.
Your cat, why is it on hot? Does it have to be on hot?
No, it could be on cold. I don't got it on cold. Hold still. Oh, for Christ's sake.
Give me the pucker.
No. 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 No, I'll put this button in.
That looks like hot on your face. Watch it. No,
It's getting ready to get peeled off. You guys are going to be with us when we peel. And I cannot wait because, check this out, lean forward. She put this shit in her eyebrows. And in her eyebrows.
dumbass.
I can't wait. I'm going to peel it off. I swear to God, I'm going to...
I'm itching. I mean, like twingly burning.
They make monostat for that. Thing right here, just so you know, it looks like it would be really comfortable, but it feels like a slimy...
Condom
inside out, which is disgusting.
I'm gonna go ahead and peel mine off because
no.
What's jumping?
No.
Up? It's jumping up in my. Oh, what's that? Cockroach.
First, we gotta take the eye masks off. They've been on there. We got about 3 minutes yet. Let's take the eye masks off. Oh God, they're so slimy. They're slimy. It's like a slimy penis. They're slimy. Oh my God! It is so slimy.
Okay, hold on.
No, look. Hey. Oh God.
Is it stinging?
Oh.
Ew, what is that?
Holy shit! Mine is stuck.
No!
No! Step on an eyelash! It's stuck on an eyelash!
I'll help you!
It's stuck on an eyelash! You crazy bitch! Ow! Oh! Oh my
That's what I'm
God!
That's what sisters are for, man. That thing was sucking in your
Oh,
brain.
look! It's still in my nose!
Look, mine come right off because you know why? I had a clothes dryer in my face. But yeah, that's what I'm here for. I'm here to help you at any time I can. That could be skin.
I think it is. Look, look, it's not even.
Yeah, I think that's skin. Yeah.
Oh
skin.
my God, y'all, look.
Skin.
That's sick. Okay, go. Ready? We're gonna peel this.
Oh, hi, Joe. Tell him.
Kiss my ass, buddy. I got a chocolate mask on. She got on sweet tea and lemon. We just had on slimy condom eye patches, which is disgusting.
I'll be right back. I'll be right back. I need a bit.
And then, we're live video casting, and you're like, what the hell? Look. Nose. Go get a beer. Come on, fool. Peel and stick. Peel and stick. Jesus. These are peel. Hear that? You see how it's real tight? Oh my God, that's what she said.
What the hell is that? Laying in the hallway. No wonder the puppies was hollering.
Do the mask in front of everybody. We thought would be better just to do live because it's easier this way.
Did you say Bub join?
Yeah.
Hey,
Bub. Hey. This is chocolate and hers is sweet tea and lemon. And we're getting ready. I'm gonna pull hers off so hard. It is not even gonna be funny. Watch. I am gonna jerk hers off. She has been drinking all afternoon. God knows she ain't gonna feel it no way.
Wait!
She ain't gonna feel no way. What the fuck? These are peel things. We don't need that.
It says remove with warm rags.
No, miss, you're stupid. They don't go off that. You gotta peel it off.
Nigga, it says right on there. See, mine says remove with warm water.
Where's the instructions?
Right there.
Where is it? She says it's removal of warm water. Hey, Ron BB, peel away clay mask.
Read the instructions.
Peel away clay mask. You
That's not
are
what it says.
an idiot. Miss, that's not gonna come up. Look. Oh my God.
It right there.
You're not gonna, no, you're not allowed to read the instructions because you ain't gonna what. It says
says
right there
right
in front of the package.
But it's stupid on the front. On the back it says.
Yeah, mine is from Japan.
From the
Mine is from Japan, Dee Dee. Hers is from Walmart because she's chicken shit. So anyway, mine is from Japan and it's chocolate and it smells just like chocolate.
What's that?
Boop, 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 boop. I think that's skin.
Ew.
Oh God! See what Walmart did?
You gave it to me.
Look at this. Look, watch.
It says.
Oh God!
Oh, you're not an animal.
Oh my God, that fucking hurts. Oh!
Let me do it. Let me do it.
No, man, it hurts so bad.
Let me see.
Oh my God! Oh, oh my
You are
God!
such a drama queen, homie.
Miss, I got help! Oh!
You're gonna have to relax. You're gonna have to relax.
Oh
your
my
forehead.
God!
Relax your forehead.
Oh God! Oh my God!
Order some more shit from Japan.
Oh wow,
That's a booger.
Look at that, y'all. That hurt.
You know, ow.
It's no wonder they tell you you're gonna have fresh looking skin. They took off a layer.
Ow.
I shouldn't have put it on my chin. That's gonna hurt real bad.
Well, it's because we got hairy faces like a damn Sasquatch.
Oh, do you hear that? Listen, everybody.
Look,
Listen,
ow.
listen. God. Oh. Oh, God. Look at it moving. Look at this. Look at pulling.
Let me help you.
No!
Frank, come here and get in the video.
Oh,
We're live streaming, Frank, on Facebook.
oh my God, those Japanese women ain't playing.
That's why they look so good. We look like we're old.
Maybe there's a stuff I couldn't read. It was in Japanese.
Well, that's what you get.
Oh my God.
Let me help you.
Oh God.
Let me help you.
Oh my God, this is crazy.
I like it. That went up my nose. Frank, you better order me a Domino's or something.
We'll see which one. Oh, my skin feels really soft. Of course, it's a new layer.
That's what I'm saying. It's probably...
What the fudge is this? Look at that.
What are you peeling off?
That ain't...
Look, you're peeling. I'm going, what are you peeling?
That ain't even oh my God. That is gross feeling. That is a booger.
What's that? What is shit in my...
There's Lisa White. Just, hi, feeling crappy. Miss you girls. Oh. Sorry, Heather. Everybody say sorry, Heather. I wish you better, Heather.
Wish you better.
Oh, Heather. Oh my God.
Dumbass.
Oh my God.
Well, that's what you get. Ow. Look.
I don't think we had a videotape anywhere. We need to sign off this thing.
Look how...
Oh my God. Oh Lord, it's on my lip. Oh Lord, it's on my lip. It's on my lip. Oh Lord. Oh look. Missy, just pull it. Pull it right there. Go. Oh, you got to make it quick. You got to make it quick.
What?
You got to make it quick.
Sister, we with you now. We just go do a little prayer and everything. We're going to...
Oh, Lord. No.
I didn't get it all. That's because you have deep holes right there. And so you had to check it. Let me get it. If you'll hold still and quit jumping around.
Oh,
Frank! My God.
Look at that! Look, it's in my nose!
Booger.
Oh my God, y'all, this hurts. Don't do a peel-off thing.
Do not order from Japan again, okay? Hey!
Oh.
Did somebody leave us? They probably left because you're squealing like a bitch. Hey, Sherry, how are you feeling, hon?
Did you get yours wiped off?
No, I'm working on it. I need to re-wet my rag.
Oh my God. I can't get this on. Or off of me.
What's this in your forehead?
That's another piece of bullshit is what that is. It's straight up bullshit and you ain't getting it.
It's a burn, ain't it?
Yeah, it's a burn, all right. Look at all this. Look at all that. Look.
Well, you're like, well, it said 5 to 6 applications and you're jumping up in it like you in charge and shit. Quit ordering stuff from overseas.
Well, messy people live over there.
Well, I don't give a damn. We Americans are used to pesticides.
Well, I'll call Joy Extermination and
That's
get
what
my
I'm
damn
saying.
peel off then.
Somebody call something.
Kathy said maybe we should translate. Well, maybe, by God, we should.
Maybe you should be
A little
down
late
there.
now, Kathy.
Look, she got some in her hair.
Oh, my God.
Hair has been removed.
I don't even want to do that right there in between my damn eyebrows. I swear to God.
Oh, where's the tweezers? Here.
No, I'm not.
Here.
No, it's up here in my hair.
Whoa! Hold still.
Don't play. Don't play. Don't play. Don't play. Don't play.
I'm your sister, for God's sakes. I ain't going.
Yeah, I know, miss. I've been with you 47 years. Miss!
Hold still. I got it started. I got it started. I got it started.
Oh, my. Look.
Hey, I know what. Put some more melted chocolate on your face, dumbass.
It smelled so good. Oh, my God, Kathy. It's in my hair. It's in my hair. I'm going to feel like The Conjuring 2 here in just a minute when I have to pull that out of my eyebrow.
I bet.
Well, I got permanent eyebrows.
I'll be back in a minute. I'm going to go get
Where you going? Frank?
Look how... Frank!
He in the bathroom.
He in there shitting again.
Missy, people don't need to know my husband's poo schedule.
He don't have a schedule. He just goes.
It's freelance around here.
It's whenever you can get in. You know, they know. But look how red our noses are. We should not have applied it to said beat.
Missy,
like,
this has got hair. Now, you told me not to squeal. This son of a bitch hurts. Look! I got it in my eyebrow.
Well, at least you have tattooed eyebrows. What's that? Quit screaming like a baby.
Oh my God, it took my...
What?
Oh God!
Lord, she is being such a drama queen. Going, you should have used the shit. But look at look, our noses are really red. We got red blotchy spaces because she got this stuff from some foreign country.
I got her.
What are you doing now?
I'm trying to take it off little by little, you freaking crazy bitch. Look, took off every piece of friggin' hair.
Why are you flicking shit? A DNA? What about that?
Stop fucking with mine. Do your own.
What's that?
I'm not kidding. You stick your finger on me one more time. I'm not.
What's that? Oh, it's on the teeth. Oh, it's on the.
Oh, God, I gotta take a break.
Give me a Kleenex.
It's making my nose run.
Well, that's why I need a Kleenex.
God, these peel off masks ain't no joke.
Hey, Adina. Hey, Barbie. How's everything on Chicken Bone? For you latecomers and recently joined, we are we just did a facial peel. We're getting ready as soon as she finishes.
We did a facial peel. It is straight up hair removal.
Thank y'all, and remember,
peace out.